Okay, I am getting ready to make my organic hair conditioner. Here is the avocado, fresh avocado, and here are the ingredients. I have the almond oil, refined. I have avocado oil, which is really good for growing your hair and moisturizing your hair. I have just a generic brand of real mayonnaise, 1 egg, and natural brand aloe vera juice. Okay, and I got the majority of these products from Whole Foods. So, we are going to take our fresh avocado, and I'm just going to put a dollop of the almond oil and the avocado oil. I'm not measuring it because I don't feel I have to. I feel like the more the merrier. I'm now going to put in the aloe vera juice. Let's see. And I love this aloe vera juice. I use it in my leave-in spray bottle. Not too much. I don't want it too soupy. Now I'm going to put my mayo in. And I like to use 2 scoops of the mayo. Okay. Now I'm going to crack my egg. I know some people only use the yolk, but I use both. The yolk along with the white. Okay. And I'm not going to put olive oil in it or castor oil because I use both of those for my hot oil treatment, and I do my hot oil treatment after my deep condition. Okay. So let's see. Let's put this top. So you add all of this in the blender. And put the top. And you want to blend it so that it's smooth, because a lot of times the avocado can be choppy and grainy. So I always go through it once with the spoon just to be certain, because you don't want those particles to end up in your hair. They're very difficult to get out. Okay, so I'm going to do it once again. And there we have it. So I will pour this mixture into a container with the top, and I will put it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. And one of the things that you have to keep in mind is that these are food items and they must be stored and refrigerated. Okay? Thanks, guys.